So let's quickly go into sales order, and I'm going to enter a sales order so you can see this, how some of the settings we have made available come into play. Now, for the sales order screen, and I'm going to also mention this for all the other screens within NetSuite, there are different views that you can use, and based on the views, it can change what fields are available to you. So for example, if I change my form to standard sales order form, you would see that it redraws itself, and some of the fields becomes available and other fields become hidden. That's all part of the NetSuite built-in flexibility, and it helps onboarding, it helps in training. So let me find Aaron Abbott, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my washer to the sales order, and let me actually set the status to pending fulfillment, so I don't have to go through approval. There is, by the way, built-in workflows that are available within NetSuite, and you can also create custom workflows. We have a visual workflow designer at our disposal. So on the item side, what I am going to do is pick our LG washer. And this information looks correct. I'm just going to click add. Now, as I click add, what you might have noticed is that it pops up, first of all, my warranty selection. Since this item was set up with warranty, I can now pick whether I want a 2-year warranty or 5-year warranty. And under optional item, it also shows me my dryer, my companion dryer, and a recycling washer fee. So I'm just going to pick the dryer here and add that down. You might have also noticed that this building material stainless steel washer hose was already added. This was because it was a required item, and it was automatically added to the sales order. So we tried to streamline the order entry as much as possible, so you don't have to go and look for, what items are required, what's optional, what other options to provide to the end client. All that is available to you at your fingertips. Now, as the items have been added to the order, I am just going to save this, make sure I don't need anything else. And once this order has been saved, we can go and fulfill it. So you can also see what the fulfillment looks like.